Hey, it's Mike Walpert. I'm talking about the 10 surprising benefits that people get when they start talking about their business on video. And I think number 8 is pretty critical. It's ease after practice. It's growth, right? It's really that feeling of growth. As people start out doing video, it doesn't always feel terrific. They don't always love the results. Then they do another, get better, another, they get better. People over time begin to embrace this and get really good at it. And that feels great, because that means your customers are getting a good, clean, beautiful message about your business. You're proud that you can speak so eloquently of it. You're doing service to others. And all of this comes together and you're like, wow, that wasn't what I expected, because it's a surprising benefit of talking about your business on video. What have you noticed when you talk about your business on video? What kind of benefits have you got?